front of me is Motorola Edge 50 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then select any of those themes to apply a perfect one for you. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher and hit apply. As you can see, after that, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you want to customize it instead, click on the same icon and this time use +1 under my themes. Then tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!